Hey everybody, Anna Lou and I are here and we're camping out in Eastern Washington. Actually, Medical Lake to be exact. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay, good. And we're actually making something that reminds me of my childhood when I would go camping with my parents. We'd always have like an incredible breakfast skillet and I'd wake up in the tent and I would be woken up to the smells of like bacon and sausage, and there's nothing like waking up to that. It's so good. So we're gonna make for you guys today a breakfast skillet. Today we're using Washington potatoes, eggs, cheese, bell peppers and onions, and some breakfast sausage.
We begin by adding a little oil and cooking up our potatoes. Then we add the bell pepper, onions, and the sausage. Once it's all cooked up, it's time to add the eggs and cheese.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
After a few minutes, mix it all up and you're ready to go.
Why don't you go ahead and put the finishing touches on it. So we got a little green onions here, and then you got some of your favorite salsa. Go ahead. Look at you. All right, here we go. What do you think?
That was good.
That was good. That is the way you start your morning after a good night of camping. Fill up with this, give us the energy we need to get back on the road. Although, I'm gonna have to have seconds. To learn how to make this recipe and many others, head on over to wagrown.com.